The first time you log into GoHighLevel, there's going to be basically nothing. What we're going to focus on in this video is setting up your domain. So we're going to go to sites, and you're going to see all the things you can do with sites. We're going to go to websites. I'm going to preload you a website in here called My First Website. If you pull it up and go to settings, you'll see that there's no domain associated with this website. So what we're going to do is attach a domain to this website. And there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can go to connect a domain here, or we can go to our settings and go to domains and URL redirects. Now it wants you to purchase a domain here or transfer a domain. Don't do any of that. Let's just connect a new domain. We're going to connect a website. So go to connect here and then type in the name of the domain that we used in Cloudflare, which is askmyclone.com. I'm going to copy that, go over here, drop it in, continue, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to use a www also? Yes, use that. Continue there. Now what you want to make sure of is that you have your Cloudflare account up and open on a tab. Because GoHighLevel is going to automatically put the records that you need in the DNS. So when we hit continue here, it's going to start setting up your domain. Meaning it's going to Cloudflare and check everything. Now we deleted everything out of Cloudflare, so there shouldn't be anything in there. We're going to authorize the domain. And now Cloudflare is looking at the dashboard and it's loading. From here, it's going to add the DNS records that you need for the domain. You're going to authorize that. It's going to take a few minutes, and sometimes it crashes out and you have to reauthorize it again. It just depends. When it finishes, you'll be brought to this screen. What you want to do is you want to select a website, and you want to go down, you want to grab that website. You want to select the home page, and there's also on these additional options, you can set the 404 error page to the same home page. So that way, if there's a 404, it'll jump back to the home page. If we do a proceed to finish here, you'll see the askmyclone.com is set up. The subdomain for the www is set up, and you can manage this if you need to, but they're all set. So now when we go back, we're going to go over here and go back at the main menu. askmyclone.com is now set up for the domain for this website. You go down, you save that. And now if we go to edit this, this is the first web page that we're going to edit. It's a page within the website. Now the URL is set up for askmyclone.com/home. If we click on this, it'll pop the page. So now we have a web page inside the website that we can modify and store, and it has a URL. If we go back, we can create another page simply by cloning this one. If we want to, we can just clone this page inside this website. Then we'll go to our settings, and this is for the page settings. We'll just call this about. And then we'll change the path to about. Load the page. And then we have a home page and we have an about page. If we go in to edit the about page, we can do whatever we need on the about page. I'll just copy this. So now I've got two of these sections. We'll talk about sections later. Right now I'm just getting your domains set up so you'll have URLs to display. And I'm going to publish this. And now you have your domain and your about page.